Kumpleto kami.
Yes, kumpleto.
Speaking lang no, tita kanina.
Uy, hindi pa ba? Nakakita na yung panty ko.
Malapit na umuwi sila, nanay pala. Grabe, 26 bilis ng araw. Kanis is live. Bye, baby! Hi, Ting! Oh, kuya, strike yan! Strike! Wow! Nandito na kami.
We're here.
Ay, 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 ay.
But you think you're doing it wrong. Ooh. High pressure on the ground. Ooh.
Ay, may nagtapon ng mga second-hand items, oh. Ay, pwede laban, oh. Air Max, pwede pa laban, oh. Ay, okay pa yan, oh.
Kunin mo siya.
Ang pen, oh.
Palagay
Ito,
mo na
kunin mo yung isa.
Ay, masasanting. Di ko yan.
Nagbaso. Wow, nakakatawa. Pag Pinoy talaga. Basta mapapakinabangan pa. Etong dalawa, laging nag-iikot sa apartment para baka may mapulot sila.
Kasi sayang.
Wow! Wow, galing ni Kuya. May payo. Si tatay na iwan.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door. On everything we could have been. Don't go think.
Residential ang mga bahay dito to netizens. Okay, wait. Ah! Art museum. Okay, art museum.
4, 3, 2.
Ha. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's go inside. 안녕하세요. 찍어도 돼요? 아, 네. Buti may free na art museum dito. Ay, huwag mo hawakan na. Okay na. Ay, ang cute ng kamay, oh. Would you believe musical instrument to? Pinapanood nila yung interview ng artists.
Gusto ko din ito.
Kamsahamnida! Si tatay nagpapahinga.
I never thought I'd fly over my own state. something about those city lights were calling out my name. Now mama, don't you cry. You know there'll come a day where I come visit you at home. And if I never stay, the same old worn out welcome sign, the population getting by, crossing that county line brings back the good old days with the same old station on the side of the...
Alam nyo ba, yung puno na yan, 120 years old na. Sobrang tagal na, sobrang tanda na.
But the small town will stay the same.
Okay, eto naman. Okay, around 220 years old na ang puno na to.
Same old small church parking lot, I cried when Bobby tied the knot. By God, we never thought he'd give
Oo, yan.
his last name. Or the ring that I wore on the night that we once stayed.
Hindi na dyan masyadong makalakad si tatay nang walang dalang baston. Buti si nanay walang sakit. Naalagaan niya si tatay at yung mga anak ni ate.
But the small town will stay the same.
Sisters for life.
When this big map tide breaks me down, I go back to the place.
I recommend na puntahan nyo din ang Eunpyeong Hanok Village kasi sobrang peaceful ng place and maganda yung modern traditional houses. Yun. Okay. Nag-e-enjoy sila nanay.
Parang tahimik dito. Kahit na pagkain mo kanin lang. Masarap dito, no? Hindi na kailangan mga...
Hindi napapagod sila eh.
Hindi kasi...
Ay, na naman yung dance move. Ay. Huwag kang mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo.
Kahit ulilipas ang
Isip ko. Ay!
Venus. Favorite niya yun eh.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Hindi, ikaw, di ba?
Ay, ako. Alam niya.
Mabuti pa.
What?
Ay, nakalimutan ko na tuloy.
Naiinip ka na naman. Ha? Nakugutom ka na? Okay. Kakain tayo soon. Kaya naman. Ayan. Skinship. Tay, tumawa ka din.
Tay, tumawa ka. Wala kang ngipin.
Si Tita Kim ang aming photographer.
Tingnan mo nga. Ganda mo naman, te. Yan, front. Yan. Kasi ganyan mo kami mo. Kaya isa lang. Yan. Right. Ayan, ganda. 3, 2, 1. Ganda. 3, 2, 1.
Mga lola kong balo na sa...
Yan ang maganda yung kaya
Paano?
I've been looking for something crazy. I've been looking for something to tame my sinner still, my criticizing, my hopeless heart that just wants to come on. Yeah, I found you outside, baby. You know I found you standing in the rain. You were holding.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming.
Yan talaga yung ganda sana.
You were holding a pound of heartache. Oh, you were wearing it like shame.
Tapos na yung TikTok namin.
I told you twice until you
Sayang, sad. Nakuha na yung lumang sapatos. Isang taon pa naman. Daming damit.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while. We wanna make it last. Yeah. It's gonna take some time. We wanna make it last.
Ano, takbo?
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt.
After Hanok Village, diretso na kaming umuwi to Netizens kasi hindi na kaya ni tatay maglakad pa ng matagal. I ordered BHC chicken.
BHC chicken.
Yes.
Magmumukbang si Ellie.
Mukbang.
Yeah. Mukbang ka na tapos yung may tunog doon. Dito tayo, tita.
Pipick upin na namin yung chicken. Okay, kaya samahan nyo kami.
Diyan lang kayo.
Oo. Le, malapit ka na umuwi.
Wala na akong pork cutlet.
Ay, wala. Ano?
Wala na akong pork cutlet.
Wala ka ng pork cut. So, iuuwi mo na lang yung binili ni tita.
Yung tatlong yan, tita.
Yung gusto mo? Okay. May enjoy ang biking dito kasi maluwang ang kalsada.
I don't know if I can find my way out.
Okay, dito na kami sa BHC. Picturean ko kayo sa BHC. Dali. Akunin muna natin yung order. Wait lang. Kamsahamnida. Okay. No, ate?
Inabangan ko yun sa Korea, yung BHC.
Pwede na kumain agad?
Ha?
Pwede na kumain agad?
Picture ko muna.
Okay.
Nakikita ko yun sa IG Reels.
Paano kinakain nila? Paano yung kain nila ng
Fall into the ocean.
Kilala ka na nung dyan, nagkakape, sabi niya. Chingu, isaguro. Ano?
Isaguryo.
Isaguro. Oh, yeah. Anong gusto mo, ate? Pagluto kita kaldereta.
Oo, sige, bili tayo karne.
Gusto tayo ng kaldereta.
Reaching out, I'm reaching.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Grabe naman yung rice. Rice is life. Okay. Kain tayo. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Ayan ang gusto ni Kaya.
Thank you kayo kay tita.
Thank you, tita.
Wanna stay home now.
Kanis is life.
Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear.
Masarap, ate.
Manghang, binigay ko kay Tita Kim yung sa akin. Tingnan mo yan.
Sabi niyo, spicy. Nako, kami lang kakain ng spicy niyan.
Yes, sir.
Close and let you go, find someone new. And now wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's
Kain tayo. Malapit na umuwi sila, nanay pala.
can be true.
Grabe, Netizens, bilis ng araw. Ha?
Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight.
Pupunta daw si Ellie dito mag-isa. Magstay daw siya sa Korea para sa pagkain.
Aray na sa mito.
Gaya samit. Samit. So, sira.
Manong.
Alam niyo yun,
Masama sa mito sa radya ko.
Alam niyo ba?
Ano
Alam mo
ibig
yan.
sabihin nun?
Alam mo yun?
Sarap yung ulam.
Dito.
Nalagay sa met.
Wow!
Sabi mo ba, impas-pas siya. Impas-pas siya. Sabi mo.
Impas fresh.
Impas-pas siya.
Impas fresh siya.
Sobrang grabe. Grabe.
Yung super duper talaga, as in. Ito yung napakasipag na helper dito. Sobrang sipag, matulungin talaga. Kaya ako nagbayad nung ear piercing niya.
Thank you, tita. Thank you, tita.
Patingin yung hikaw mo ulit. Oh, ayun,
Erase mo nga si tita.
Oh.
Sabihin mo yung sinasabi.
Red. That's a red.
Yun yung ring.
Hindi yung may sinabi ka.
Tita, ano yun?
Ano yun?
May third eye ako. Yung lola mo, natating. Sumasayaw. Sinasabi niya pala yun.
Ganda na ayos mo ngayon ah.
May third eye na. Nasaan yung third eye na? Third eye.
Sa baba. Dati kami sa loob eh. Ngayon na iba na.
Ano yan? Yung panahon yun sa baba.
Yung mga baba, kada generation.
Ina is already home. Pero, kumain na kasi siya together with her friends kaya hindi siya sumabay sa amin. Nagpapagising siya ng 6:30 p.m. Ikaw na kaya gumising kay ate, dali.
Bakit ganunin ako sa mukha?
Ano, no?
Ganunin ako sa
Hindi
mukha.
naman ganun si ate.
Bakit?
Sabi,
Ate
ate,
mo?
it's already 6:30. O, dali. Nakla ka na, dali. Pasa ka na.
Wala, kakatulog niya lang.
Oh, sige.
Ate, it's already 6:31. Okay, I'm doing the dishes.
Baby, 6:30 na.
Tita, 6:30 talaga.
Oo, ganyan.
Tumayo na siya, tita. Ano nang gagawin ko? Bye-bye.
Bye, baby. Hi, Ting. See you later. Love you. Magbo-bowling kami para ma-experience ng family ko ang bowling. Kasi mura lang dito. Sa Pinas, napakamahal. Inihintay ko pa si Alex kasi hahandaan ko ng dinner. Tsaka si Ijun papasok pa sa academy. Samahan nyo na kami, magbo-bowling kami. Hulaan nyo kung sino makaka-strike sa amin. Ay, sino? Oh, dali, tanong mo, dali dito ka, dali. Sino kaya?
Sino kaya?
Oy. Makaka-strike ka ba? Paano yung posing ng na... Ay! Gano'n! Ayan! Ay! Ay! Isa pa! Isa pa! Ay! 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 Nako! Sabihin niyo, support niyo ako, guys. Ganun.
Support niyo ako, guys, para makatira ako ng ganito.
Kumain na kami kanina eh. Madami kaming side dishes na galing kay Omoni. to ng BHC.
Takbo, takbo, takbo! Takbo dito!
Magbo-bowling na kami. Mga netizens.
Nandito kami sa Galme Sports Complex. Sports Center pala.
One more dance and I might just fall in love.
Fourth
I'm
floor.
not the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night to show you. Every single moment has led up to this one. Wow! Did the stars align?
Okay, may size yung mga shoes.
Maybe it's a sign we
Okay,
should
kuya,
do
go.
tonight again. Even
Sige, si Tita Kim.
another light.
Uy! Ang galing ni Tita Kim!
And let's do tonight.
Oh, Eli, kaya ikaw na. Dali. Go. Lakas ah.
Those wicked problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
In another lifetime.
Oh my God, Ling! Ling! Wow, Ling! Galing mo!
Do tonight.
Wow, Le! Isa pa, Le! Ang galing mo, Le! Le, isa pa, dali! Galing ni Eli, ah! Lakasan mo, Le! Isa lang.
And put your hands up.
Wow, galing ni Kuya! Wow! Nice! Galing!
Keep those hands up for tonight again. Even another lifetime.
Na-strike ni Tita Kim! Galing!
Do tonight.
Oy! 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 Wow! Galing! Isa lang!
In another
Oh, Kuya! Kuya! Strike yan! Strike! Wow! Galing!
and let's do tonight again.
Not bad!
Keep those hands up for tonight again. Even another lifetime. And let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime. Find me then, and let's do it tonight.
I only paid 22,200. Oh, diba? Ilan na yung games na yun? Maganda dito, may free water. O, anong masasabi niyo sa first time?
Saya.
Okay. Galing ni Tita Kim, no? Nakailang strike ka? 3. Nice.
Ako nakailan? 2 ata, tita.
Dalawa ka din? Ako si Tita isa lang eh. Masaya kayo?
Yes!
Oh. Yun. Oh.
Pero nakatira ka din nila. No?
Billiards next.
Wow, billiards naman.
Noon, marunong ka nun?
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Sunto ka naman. Hindi naman tako yung...
Falling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't
Enjoy while you're here.
remember me. Said you'd be
Walang ganyan sa Bulacan. Okay. Oh, careful ha. Okay.
I really should've known. We were better men till we hit a red light.
Laging sinasabi ni Tin, Kaya, and Ellie, sayang wala si Ina and Ijun. Palagi kasing busy yung dalawa. Wow! Lakas! Grabe! Grabe yun, ate. Lumipad ka. Si tita rin. Gusto ni tita.
Go.
Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. We were that in May till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs.
Hoy, hindi! Ibaba niyo ako! Ibaba niyo ako! Nakikita na yung panty ko! Kay, ginagawa ko talaga kay tita.
Mami, mami.
Oh, I really should've known. We were that in May till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Your love was real, but it's there for us. Now you can't decide.
Ika dyan sa itak eh.
After all this time, this is it for us.
Oo, tama na! Tama na! Uy, uy, uy! Tama! Parang nasa mood siya. Nasa mood siya ba?
Oh! Andito rin si Ina. Oh, let's eat. Kumpleto kami. Speaking lang no, tita kanina.
Wow daw, binigay ni Tita Card. Wow.
Get all you want. No, no.
Lagot ka, Tita Kim.
Talaga sa akin.
Binigay ni Tita Kim yung card niya kay Ijun. Nasaan na yun? Wala, nawawala.
You think very carefully. You have only one chance.
Tignan mo.
Yung pinakamahal yata yung
O, tignan mo talaga, kalokohan. Kansa? Ay, kuya. You say thank you, ha? Thank you. Kansa? Thank you.
Thank you, tita.
Thank you, both tita.
Okay.
Luluto to?
Do you play Lotto? Atos, card lang, card.
I can tell you when you saw your first scene.
Okay, that's it. This is my video for today. I hope that you enjoyed watching. And happy si Tita na nakasama ko kayo dito talaga. Yes. See you sa next vlog. Apa Sombria? Wow! May gift si Apa niya. Wow, Igorang. Oh, may iniwan na gift si Apa niya. Starbucks. Oh.
Pinakamaganda daw sila. Pinakamaganda sila.
Ah, dali na.
Oh, dali. Oh, pinakamaganda
Wow.
ka starting with that sentence.
Ellie!
Nanay, hindi totoo yung binibiro ko.
O, dito kuya, baka tumalsik kay nanay.
Wala na doon.
Noodles ni Ijun sa vlog. Pinagpapagod.
Kumane.
Ijun. Tatay.
Natatawa siya, pinipigil. Oh, gawin daw kay tatay. Dali. Gawin. Awag na. Tingnan mo, tawan-tawa na yan. Pinipigilan lang niya. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord ka. Oy, Chamitsi. Nag-e-enjoy siya, oh. Ay, kay Halmo dito. Kay Halmo ni daw niya gagawin. Ay!